So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So as you guys know that recently many teaser trailers of many Marvel movies like Avengers Doomsday and Spider-Man Brand New Day are leaked online. So today in this video I'm going to explain about them. So first of all, as you guys know that Avengers Endgame is going to be released in theaters on September 2026, and it's because Avengers Doomsday is going to be a direct sequel of Avengers Endgame. And at the end of Avengers Endgame we saw that Steve Rogers returned back in time to return all the Infinity Stones to their respective timelines, and then he went to a timeline where he was frozen and he married with Peggy Carter and fulfilled his promise of dancing. And Avengers Endgame ended only with Steve Rogers and Peggy Carter dancing. And now it is confirmed that Steve Rogers, who went back in time to live his happy life with Peggy Carter, that Steve Rogers is going to return as a main character, as a lead character in the Avengers 5 or Avengers Doomsday. And obviously you guys know that Chris Evans had joined the set of Avengers Doomsday some times before, but it was not confirmed that which character he was playing. Somewhere also rumors were also there that he was going to play the Captain Hydra or any multiversal variant of Captain America, or maybe Human Torch, or maybe any other role. But now it's confirmed that Chris Evans is back as Steve Rogers Captain America of our Marvel Cinematic Universe. So the first teaser that got leaked online of Avengers Doomsday, in this teaser we see Steve Rogers leading a happy life with Peggy Carter. We see that Steve Rogers, he has returned home, the same home that we saw also at the end of Avengers Endgame, where Peggy and Steve were living together in a home. And then we see that Steve Rogers is riding a bike, his classic bike. Then he gets out of there and enters his home. He opens a box where he sees his old Captain America costume, and it's the same costume and the same suit that we saw in the Avengers Endgame movie, means the scaled suit that we saw in the final battle of Endgame that Steve used. And then we see that Steve Rogers is actually missing his Captain America mantle, but now he has moved on because now he wants to live a peaceful and happy life with Peggy Carter. And then we see a surprising shot. We see Steve Rogers and Peggy Carter now has a baby, and whether it is a son, it is his son or daughter, it's not confirmed yet. But I think guys, it may be Sharon Rogers, who is actually a daughter of Peggy and Steve in Marvel Comics. And then the teaser ends. We see Steve Rogers will return in Avengers Doomsday, and then at the end we got a timestamp, countdown of when Avengers Doomsday is going to be hit in theaters. So it's the first teaser guys, and actually guys, there are in all total 4 trailers. There are going to be all total 4 trailers for Avengers Doomsday that are going to be streamed in theaters, in cinema halls, with Avatar Fire and Ash streaming. Means as you guys know that Avatar 3 movie is, means James Cameron's Avatar 3 movie is on theaters, is streaming on theaters. And in the first week of streaming, they are going to play the first teaser with Steve Rogers. In the second week of streaming, they are going to play the second teaser of Doomsday. In the third week, the third teaser. And in the final 4th week, they are going to play the full-on Avengers Doomsday teaser. And it was also a rumor guys that the first teaser will be on Steve Rogers, and now we see that it's true because the Avengers Doomsday's first teaser focused on Steve Rogers, and the second teaser will focus on Thor. And the Thor teaser, actually the audio has been also leaked that I'm going to talk about later. And other than that, the third and fourth trailer, there are rumors that the third trailer will likely focus on Doctor Doom, and I think it is correct 99.99%. And the fourth trailer will be focused on the whole movie, means all the characters and all the story. Means the fourth trailer will focus on the X-Men, Fantastic Four, Thunderbolts, Avengers, Doctor Doom, and Wakandians, and all the means teams that we are going to see in Doomsday. As you guys know that Doomsday is going to be a much bigger project than Infinity War or Avengers Endgame. So now if I tell about the second teaser of Avengers Doomsday that had been leaked. So actually guys, the second teaser, only the audio is leaked. The video is not leaked, but the audio of the second teaser trailer has been leaked online. And in this teaser actually, the teaser will focus on Thor, and we hear the audio of this teaser where Thor is praying to Odin. He is saying that he is begging to him, and he wants to leave for seeing his love again. So love, as you guys know, is actually God's daughter, as we saw at the end of Thor Love and Thunder, that love is now living with Thor. And obviously you guys know that throughout the Marvel Cinematic Universe journey, Thor has lost a lot of his relatives and many his friends. Like he lost first of all his mom, his dad, his sister, his stepbrother, his friend Heimdall, and after that Thor also lost Jane Foster. So throughout MCU, Thor has almost lost everything, everyone who loved him, everyone he loved. But still he tries to become funny, but as you guys know that he's still now heartbroken. So now he wants to leave for only seeing love once again. So it shows that Avengers Doomsday is likely going to focus on the emotional side of Thor's character, and it may refer that Thor may die in Avengers Doomsday, though it's still now not confirmed. And Chris Hemsworth had declared that he is going to be returning as Thor after Avengers Secret Wars soft reboot, and we may get the Thor 5 movie. But it may also happen that Thor get killed in Avengers Doomsday. Next guys, let's talk about our Spider-Man Brand New Day. So Spider-Man Brand New Day, that is going to be a soft reboot to Tom Holland's Spider-Man. And this movie, as you guys know that there is a lot of hype for this movie. There are a lot of stories, lot of characters, lot of casts are there in the movie, and really huge Spider-Man movie, and it has the most chances that it can be the best street level grounded Spider-Man movie ever made. Even better than the Sam Raimi Spider-Man movies, it has also that possibility because this movie has a lot of potential. And as you guys know that some time before, the Spider-Man Brand New Day shooting also got trapped, and there was also suspense about Sadie Sink. As you guys know that she was in Stranger Things, and everyone was very shocked and very suspense about it that which character Sadie Sink could play in Spider-Man Brand New Day, because she was also going to return in the upcoming Avengers movies. So after the leak, we hope there are a lot of chances that the character of Sadie Sink will be a villain or anti-hero, because in the trailer we see, means we actually listen to Sadie Sink's character, who actually tells Peter Parker to stay away from her. So maybe it can happen that she is likely going to be an anti-hero or a villain. I think, guys, she may play Black Cat's character, and some rumors were also there that she was going to play Mayday Parker, but it's not true. Mayday, she's not likely going to play Mayday Parker. Other than that, in the trailer we also got to see Punisher, that also got confirmed in this movie, and obviously our Scorpion is finally returning in this movie after Spider-Man Homecoming. We also saw our Hulk, our Professor Bruce Banner, and our Tom Holland Spider-Man is also asking for help from our Bruce Banner. So it's very interesting that how they are going to add a Bruce Banner and Hulk in the story of Spider-Man. Other than that, we also got some comic book cover recreation in the many scenes, and overall the tone of this movie is really very comic accurate, and it seems that this movie is going to be the best comic book accurate Spider-Man movie. Other than that, guys, we also see Spider-Man fighting with Red Ninjas. Means, guys, there will be a lot of villains in this movie, including the Red Ninjas and also Scorpion. And in this trailer, we also got a look on our Tom Stone. So Tom Stone is also going to be a villain of Spider-Man Brand New Day. And obviously many stunt scenes we also saw in this teaser trailer, in the leak trailer, and these stunts are really very comic accurate. So I think, guys, the Spider-Man Brand New Day will be actually a real, means a massive movie. Means after No Way Home, as you guys know, the suspense that it had created. So I think Spider-Man Brand New Day will be a really good movie with so many characters like Tom Stone, Red Ninjas, Punisher, Sadie Sink, Spider-Man, Scorpion, Hulk, and it has also rumors that in the post-credit scene we may also get to see RDJ, Doctor Doom, and maybe there would maybe a cameo of Yelena Belova. So I think that this movie is really going to be a very massive movie. And overall, I'm very excited for Spider-Man Brand New Day. And honestly, if I tell, then after this leaked trailer, I am not that much happy, because as you guys know that, okay, I can understand the Avengers Doomsday leaks, that yes, those were just short teasers. But yeah, leaking a whole teaser trailer of Spider-Man Brand New Day was not good for overall fans, because you guys think only that if we got to see this trailer of Spider-Man Brand New Day firstly in our YouTube, and means after the promotion, then you guys can see that we were really going to be very shocked. So obviously you guys know that got spoiled after this leak, and now when the trailer of Spider-Man Brand New Day will be released online in YouTube, on that time when we will watch that, we will not get any that type of suspense or that type of wow moments, because it already got spoiled in this leak. So I think it's really sad. Kevin Feige is also taking serious action so that these leaks does not come in online. And I also hope that the trailers and teasers of the upcoming Marvel movies does not get leaked off before their official release, because it spoils our excitement, yeah.